Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to find list of devices connected to the TV. Simply go to settings, then tap on the option all settings. Here you can see the option connection. Tap on this one, then connection, then tap on the option external device manager. Select this one. Here you can see the option device connection manager. Then select the option device list. So in this device list we can see and manage connected devices. If you tap on this one, you can see all the devices connected to the TV. You can see here the past devices. So simply in this way we can find list of devices connected to the TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.